Hello my dear friends, this is dgbvishal and I'm going to present a basic concept tutorial for selection on Photoshop, and this will be very easy for you to learn. And now I'm going to just actually we already have this new document. We will start with selection. We have some selection tools in our tools panel. Here is our rectangular marquee tool, and inside that tool we have some hidden tools, that is elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool, and single column marquee tool. And after that we are having some tools here, that is polygon tool and lasso tool, polygon lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool, and this will work according to their names. And we have quick selection tool and magic wand tool. This all three tools work for selection, and this is move tool, we will deal it later, but we are dealing on selection. First of all we are taking this selection tool, that is our marquee tool. Just we have some options. If we are selecting any tool, its option will be visible here, and this is our first option for selecting anything. Just if we are selecting this area over here, here is our layers, we can take new layers from here. This is our new layer, this is our background layer. If we are taking new layer and I want to fill it, for filling just go to edit menu and fill, and here is our colors. Black is our foreground color and white is our background color. I want to fill with foreground color. After filling foreground color, we will get a color filled in our selected area. We have selected first, after that we filled. If we want another selection, here our previous selection is vanished out, it is cleared. I am selecting again, then previous selection is removed. I want to keep our previous selection. In that condition we will have to select add selection. This option is selected now, and I'm going to select make another selection. Oh, it adds selection on any area we have selected. Now I want to move selection. We will take move tool, and then we can move this from there, and it has taken this portion out for because of these were in the same layer. Just if we want to deselect, just click on Ctrl plus D, it will deselect all. Now I am making again some selections with selection tool. This is our selection tool, and now it has added selection. If I want to subtract selection from existing selection, then for that I will choose this subtract from selection. This option will allow me to subtract selection from existing selection. You can understand what I am doing here. And for that I want to check by filling. Just go to the edit, fill, foreground color. Okay, it is filled with foreground color, that is black on selected area. This was our subtract. We dealt with subtract. Now I want to deal with minus, means minus. Oh, actually minus not, that is intersect. We make selection, and then we are choosing intersect with selection, and that will allow us to select intersected area. I want to select this black area till here, and I am making selection like here. All the extra selection is cleared out, and now we got a new selection, that is intersected or overlapping area. Now we can fill it with some different color. We are selecting another color and going to fill, edit menu, fill foreground color. Our foreground color in this case is this color, so it is filled with this color. Control plus D will deselect. Now it is deselected. Now I'm going to deal with feather. Feather, what does this feather do? Actually, I am making you understand with some examples by showing you. I'm giving a feather of 10 pixel and then I'm making selection. You can see its corner is being curved now. It shows that it is having feather of some pixel. If you want to show that feather, then you can see this feather value here. You can increase that feather value by removing this arrow right and left. Okay, now its feather value is 10 because I made this selection after taking value 10. Now its value is 12. If I am taking another selection, its value will be 12. Its value is different from that one. Now I am going to fill with some different color here, and I'm taking green and just click on edit, fill foreground color. Okay, now you can see this. Control plus D, and now I'm going to zoom. For zoom we will click Control plus sign. This is going to zoom. Our pixels are here feathered out. This is feather. Now you got it better. There is no feather, there is 0 pixel feather, and here is 10 pixel feather. It shows what is feather for you, and it's very useful thing, very useful option for us to use. Now I'm going to use anti-alias and alias, but it will not work in rectangular marquee tool. It will work on elliptical marquee tool. For that we will select elliptical marquee tool. First of all, we will clear all this area, actually all this area. Okay, now I am making ellipse. Same thing here, all this option will work like that. Just fill with color. Sorry, edit menu, we are having fill foreground. If I want to add some selections, then it is added to that selection too. Make full. Okay, now we have got this plus, I mean add. Now we are going to subtract this area. This area is subtracted from selection. I want to fill another color in this area. I'm going to fill this red, not red, this is something different color, I don't know its exact name. And now I'm going to fill with foreground color. Okay, now we got this filled. Now Control plus D will deselect. What about if we want intersected? I want to make, first of all I want make something here, and I want intersected only intersected to be intersected area for selection. This is our intersected area. Now I'm going to fill it with something different, that is blue. I would like to fill with blue. Edit menu, fill foreground color. Okay, Control plus D. We have some shapes here. This is very interesting, looking very good. We can say it's a logo. Now is that was our fill, as we have discussed subtract and add. Now we will discuss the same thing feather. If I am giving value 10, no, this time 13, 15, 15, 15. Now I'm going to make something here, and I'm going to fill it with this color, no, this color. And now I'm going to fill foreground color. Okay, you can see its edge is feathered by 15 pixels. We can zoom in and view it. Control plus will allow us to zoom that point. Okay, we can zoom more and we can see. Okay, now I'm going to show what is anti-alias and alias. First of all, I'm going to 0 pixel. Here I'm making one selection filled with red color. Control, I mean fill it with red color foreground. Okay, now I'm going to make another selection without anti-alias. I'm going to make it just nearest to it, and now I'm giving actually I'm going to fill it image, no, edit, fill, foreground color, same color. Now what is the difference without anti-alias and with anti-alias? We will see it with zoom. We will zoom. First of all, deselect. We are zooming this area. So we can see it was with anti-alias, it is without anti-alias. It's something you can see, it's very sharp edges. Here something is smoothen. This gives a smooth surface. This gives a sharp surface. That is anti-alias and nothing else. This is the only thing in anti-alias, and anti-alias will not be working in rectangle. Now I'm going to show you another selection tool, that is Lasso Tool. We can use Lasso Tool by freehand, just by making this selection, and I want this part to out of that. We can move this. If we place our cursor between this selected area, we can move this selection. Now if I want to cut that area, we will take move tool and cut that area from there. This is our Lasso Tool freehand work. Now if I want subtract some area from selected area, this will work same as before. Subtract tool, just take subtracted, and now we can move, actually we can move that area from there. We can subtract it. We have subtracted our selection. We can add subtract selection in our Lasso Tool by adding this, like this. This selection is added in this selection. We can add from here. We will have to drag from in to add selection, and then we can make fill same way. Foreground color, the selected area is filled with color. Actually if I want to intersect in this area, I want only half of this area. I have taken this, will join this area. We have taken this half. This half is cleared out. Now I am filling it with some different color, and here we will get that fill color foreground. Okay, this was our lasso tool. Freehand, we can control it with freehand. This anti-alias will work same as before, and that feather will work same as before. Lasso tool is clear. Now we will move to polygon lasso tool. Polygon lasso tool will allow us to select polygon. Just polygon, I don't know so much, it's a mathematical term. Just make polygons and you will be able to select like that. If you are selecting some edges, some buildings, that's some pipe or anything, this tool will help you to select those things. We can fill color, we can do many things with this selection. We will deal later on. First of all, learn selection, how many types of selections are there, and our magnetic tool, what it will do. hmm? We have our polygon tool. Actually, no, I don't know what's happening. Our magnetic polygon tool allows filler anti-alias, but our marquee tool does not allow that. Now I am using magnetic lasso tool. What it does? Actually, it does nothing. It's a magnet. Oh no, it's not magnet. It's just works like magnet. I'm just moving freely my hand. If I am taking close to this point, it selects automatically. It is doing nothing but catching the color difference or bonding colors, and it makes selection. In this way, when we will select its starting point, we will click on a starting point, it will complete its selection, and now we can move that here. And now I'm going to fill it with green color. I will save this with green color. We will take pick color tool for that. Pick color. Now our color is green. Now I can fill it with green color, just foreground color. Okay, we got that. Control D. Now we have this same. Now we are going to deal with some extra tool, that is our quick selection tool and magnetic wand tool. Quick selection, what it does? It detects color range. I'm going to select. No, it is not detecting color range. It's selecting quickly. I want to select this color. Click, move. Selected this color. It's very interesting and very easy. We can move here. Oh, here. We can put it anywhere. Okay. What if I want to change its color? I want to change its color into pink. Okay, fill it with pink color foreground. Okay, now I have changed its color. What about this magic band tool? I am selecting this green color. Only this green color is selected. Only I have clicked all green color range. It is having tolerance. If I want more resemblance with green color to be selected, we will increase its tolerance. If I want less resemblance color with green, we will decrease it. Anti-alias is same. What is contagious? If I want to deal this point here, control plus deselect. Now I am removing this contagious, and now I am selecting. You can see that this portion is selected as well as this green portion is also selected. That allows us beyond this bounded color area, it can select another bounded colored area with the same color, that is green. it is also selected. Now I want to change this green into red, not totally red, it's an orange color. Now I'm going to fill it with foreground color. Okay, our color is changed, both the color is changed. This was our magnetic wand tool. Our selection tool is finished. Now we will deal it with deeply on another tutorial. Be attached with our tutorials and be attached with our site, that is, I want to write it here, that is redelectron.in, and you can get many more stuffs, very interesting stuffs here, and subscribe our YouTube and rate it, because my friend, I am doing this to hike your knowledge, and sharing knowledge makes knowledges more. Actually, leave those things, whatever I was telling. I want you people to do this. Subscribe my YouTube and go to redelectron.in to check new stuffs, more stuffs, and just post your queries, mail us, so that I can know your reviews. Thank you very much, and just be continue with the next tutorial.